Yeah, today we did a total of 12 postmortems. And among these 12 postmortems, 6 of them were female, while 4 were male. 2, we were unable to ascertain the gender. Children were the majority, which were 7, as adults were 5. Most of them were decomposed severely. This one was a person who had died while in hospital. We were unable to do postmortem on this person during the last time we were here because we were tracing the relatives who we were able to find, and that enabled us to do the autopsy. So this was a relatively fresh person. Then most of them we were unable to determine the cause of death, being that they were decomposed. 8 of them actually were decomposed, but 4 of them we were able to determine that they died because of starvation.
Wasiwasi kuhusiana na ile mili ambayo tunaendelea kupata Shakahola. Tunavyozungumza kwa sasa ni mili zaidi ya 425. Kwa hivyo kama mashirika kutetea haki za kibinadamu tunasema ya kwamba these numbers are increasing every day. Kwa hivyo tunavyoendelea kufukua na kutoa mili katika Shakahola, our concern ni kuwa bado ile mili itakuwa ni mingi na itakuwa hakuna mahali ya kupeleka mili hile.